check out these DRZ handle grips I have here. It also comes with some valve stem caps as well. Really nice. It's got this metal here and then flexible rubber there as well. So it's probably like anodized aluminum, I'm thinking. But it looks really cool. I love the gold color and the DRZ logo. It's got some grip on here too. So that'll be really nice. And you'll notice too, the diameters are a little bit different. So this one's for the throttle and this one's for the left side. Here's the valve stem caps too. Also that nice color. Got a little grip on the outside of there as well. Same thing here too. All right, here's the old grips. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off of here. So I just sliced it right down the middle there and it loosened up the tension on there. Now it's off. Put them on just like that. Oh yeah, there we go. Isn't that sweet? Went on real easy and they don't move. I'm giving it all my might and it's on there nice and tight. So I just kind of smacked it on that way. It went on great. I think this expands a little bit and same with this, and then tightens it up once you get it on there. Let's do the throttle side now. All right, there we go. There's the throttle side. Thanks for watching, everybody.